Jordan brand revives the sparkle once seen in lace bling with the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Metallic Deemed Gold Pack, designed exclusively for women. Arriving this fall in mid and low versions, the collection blends nostalgia and modern elegance. Both pairs feature a clean sail leather base with ivory overlays and shimmering metallic gold finishes, highlighted by tumbled textures for depth. Gold foil Jumpman branding enhances the premium vibe, while removable lace charms, a basketball and Jumpman, add playful shine. The mid leans heavier on metallic gold accents around the collar and heel, while the low balances neutral tones with subtle golden touches. Light gum rubber outsoles tie everything together, delivering a cohesive look. By merging glitz with understated luxury, the pack honors past trends while keeping in step with current fashion sensibilities. Expect pairs to drop through Nike.com and select retailers.